Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is well. So this is a new video with a new topic, which is numbers. So I'll cover the topic of numbers with a new set of problems from a new source. So I hope you watch this video till the end to find the interesting problems. And let's jump straight into with the calculator intro. So if you go to Google and search maths topic question wise banks for Excel O level, this is the first link that comes up from Save My Exams platform. So if I go to the main page of my platform, there are a lot of topics here. As you can see, the numbers and the number system, equations, formulae and identities, sequences, functions and graphs, geometry and trigonometry, and many more. So I'll focus on this topic, which is the number and number system. So if I open this in a new tab, let's say this. So the first topic or the subtopic under the numbers is number toolkit. So this is a medium type question. So I'll focus on two questions in this part of the video, which is 1A and 1B. So if you look at the first question, 1A, it says that the diagram shows a patio in the shape of a rectangle. So this is a rectangle. The height is 3 meters and the width is, or height or the length is 3.6 meters and the width is 3 meters. So the patio is 3 meters long, 3.6 meters long and 3 meters wide. So Matthew is going to cover the patio is paving slabs. Each paving slab is a square of side 60 centimeters. So Matthew buys 32 of the paving slabs. So does Matthew buy enough paving slabs to cover the patio? You must show all your working. So let's try to solve this problem. So let's open up with a new topic, numbers. So let me draw with the pen tool. So let's say this is the rectangle. Okay. So the rectangle has what? The length is 3.6 and the width is 3. So let's say the length is 3.6 meters and the width is 3 meters. So each paving slab is a square. For example, each paving slab is a square. There are 32 paving slabs. So each paving slab is a square with 60 centimeters, a square of 60 centimeters. So it's like 60 centimeters and 60 centimeters. Because it's a square, so length and width is the same. So you basically try each of them like this: 60 centimeters, 60 centimeters, or 0.660 meters and 0.60 meters, and like this, same 60 centimeters and 60 centimeters, etc. So you get the concept of how I'm using these slabs. So each slab is 60 centimeters or 0.60 meters. This is the same as what? 0.60 meters. So the whole is 3.6 meters. So how many slabs can fit in the length? If the total length is 3.6 and each slab is 0.6, so the total only 6 paving slabs can fit the whole width. Okay, so 6 paving slabs can fit the width. Now look at the height. Now let's look at the height. How many paving slabs can fit the height? So the height is what? The height is like this. It's going to be like this, 6.60 and 0.60, something like this, and so on. So the height is 3 meters. So how many slabs can fit within the 3 meters? So 3 divided by 0.6, which is what? 5. So a max of 5 slabs will fit within the height or the width. Sorry, there is no height because it's only 2-dimensional. So width. So 5 paving slabs can fit the height or the width, and 6 paving slabs can fill the length. So how many can fill the rectangle? 6 multiplied by 5, which is what? 30. So 30 paving slabs can fill within the rectangle. And what was the number that he brought? 32. So was it enough? So the question was, what did Matthew buy enough paving slabs to cover the patio? So the answer is yes, he bought 2 extra because 30 was enough. Now if you go to the second question, the paving slabs, each of them cost 8.63 pounds. So work out the total cost of 32 paving slabs. So how much cost did Matthew incur? He bought 32 and each of them costs 8.63 slabs or 8.63 pounds each. So the multiplication of this will yield the result, whatever the multiplication it is. So this is how you can solve this problem. Now let's go to number 4. 2 and 3 are similar. 4 is also similar, but it's pretty close or slightly different. Sorry. So if you go to number 4 and read the question, it says Tom is going to buy 25 plants to make a hedge. Here is the information about the cost of buying the plants. So Christie's plants package has 2.39 pounds each, and the Hedge World has a pack of 25 worth or costing 52.50 pounds plus a 20% VAT. So Tom wants to buy the 25 plants as cheaply as possible. So should Tom buy the plants from Christie's plants or from the Hedge World? You must show all the working. So if I go to Notepad, so there are 2 packages here. So one package costs for each plants, one package costs $2.39 each. So one package costs 2.39 or pounds, sorry, 2.39 pounds each. So for 25 it would be what? Multiplied by 25, right? So this is the calculation of the total cost of Christie's World. And in terms of the hedge fund or the Hedge World, sorry, it has a pack of 25. So the pack of 25 is what? 52.50 or 52.5 plus a VAT of 20%. So plus a VAT of 20% means 20% VAT. So 20% VAT. So this can be calculated as what? This is the same as
52.50, which is the package, multiplied by 120%. So
what will be the result? The calculation of this will be the result. So if I use the calculator for quick doing, so if I multiply 2.39 with 25, this has 59, this has a cost of what? 59.75 pounds. So if I multiply 52.50, if I cancel this one and multiply 52.50 with 1.20, which is 120%, we get what? 63. So obviously the hedge world is more expensive than Christie's plans package. So Christie's plans package is actually cheaper, which should be taken by Tom. So this is the solution, that Tom should take Christie's plans package, which is cheaper than the hedge world in total. Now if you look at 11, it says there are 5 numbers given, so you have to work out the difference between the 2 prime numbers in the list above. So 2 of them is prime, so you go through each one of them and test out whether it is a prime number or not. So first you have to understand what is a prime number. A prime number is a number that is divisible by only the number and 1 and no other number. So let's test whether each of them is a prime number or not. So if we look at the first number, 22, so 22 is not a prime number, because if we multiply 2 with 11, we get 22. So 22 is not a prime number. There is 2 other than 22 and 1 that can be used as a divisor. So 22 is not a prime number. So let's look at the next number, which is 17. Is 17 a prime number? 17. Yes, 17 is a prime number, because there are no other number other than 1 that can divide 17. So 17 is a prime number. So if we look at 25, is 25 a prime number? 17 is a prime number. So if 20 is 25 a prime number? No, because if we multiply 5 with 5, we get 25. We get 25. So there is a number which is 5 that can divide 25 other than 1. So 25 is not a prime number. So if we look at the number 41, is 41 a prime number? Yes, 41 is a prime number, because there are no other numbers that other than 1 that can divide 41. So 41 is a prime number. So if you look at the last number, or the second last number, which is 39. So if we look at 39, is 39 a prime number? No, 39 is not a prime number, because if we multiply 3 with 13, we get 39. So 3 is another number that divides 39 other than 1. So 39 is not a prime number. So if you look at the last one, which is 4, obviously 4 is not a prime number, because if we multiply 2 with 2, we get 4. So 4 is not a prime number. So the 2 prime numbers available are 17 and 41. So what is the difference between these 2 prime numbers? What is the difference? The difference is 41 minus 17, which is what? If we subtract 17 from 41, we get 24. So 24 is the difference between the 2 prime numbers existing among these 5 numbers. So this is it for this video. In the next video, I'll come up with some more subtopics within the number domain, and I hope you'll like and enjoy the next subtopics within the numbers. So till then, stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So thank you for watching this video.